Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durden.
Well, it's a nice start on this Wednesday throughout most of South Florida. We're seeing mostly clear skies in Broward and portions of Miami-Dade, with the exception of a little bit of cloud cover moving in with our southwesterly wind flow in the mid to upper levels down by the Keys. Now, with that wind flow and our low-level winds moving in from the southeast, we are going to see a chance of an isolated shower, but what you'll really notice is how muggy it feels as you walk out the door. We've got the heat and the humidity returning from the tropics once again today. There was one isolated shower that was affecting the upper Keys, and that is now pushed offshore. Otherwise, we're dry from Lake Okeechobee all the way down to Key West. Take a look at these temperatures running well above average at 79 degrees in Miami. And keep in mind our average low this time of year, 71. We've got an east wind at 6 miles per hour. In Fort Lauderdale, 78 degrees with a relative humidity of 85%. And in the Keys, Key West, waking up to mostly clear skies with an east-southeast wind at 12 miles per hour, a temperature of 81. 80 degrees in Pompano Beach, and for you in Oakland Park, you're waking up to the upper 70s in Pembroke Pines and Hialeah, 76 in Kendall, as well as Miccosukee. Now let's take a look at what's going on in the southeast region. We have a frontal boundary moving into the Tennessee area, and basically all the scattered showers and storms stretching all the way up to the northeast. Now the reason we're watching this front is because the forecast models show that the tail end of the front will be making its way into South Florida once we end the work week. Right now, we've got plenty of dry air moving into the northern and central portions of Florida. If some of that dry air makes its way into South Florida, that will suppress any widespread chance of showers and storms today. Otherwise, we will stay with temperatures above average for this time of year with high pressure in place over the western Atlantic. We could see a chance of a fast-moving shower. Otherwise, it'll be warm and it'll be humid. Moving to the tropics, we have an area that we're watching with a 10% chance of development. This is the same area we were watching yesterday in the far eastern Atlantic. The marine forecast calls for a threat of rip currents. We'll see a bit of a breeze today, not nearly as breezy as the last couple days, but regardless, with that easterly wind flow, we'll see that chance of rip currents at the Atlantic beaches. If you're doing any boating, the bay will be to moderate chop. For you in the lower Keys, no advisories. Inside the reef, 1 to 2 feet. Beyond the reef, 2 to 4 feet. Nearshore waters at a moderate chop. Highs today warmer than yesterday in the upper 80s across the board. Lows will be in the mid to upper 70s. Here's your 7 on 7. We'll stay warm as we end the work week. That frontal boundary will move in, bringing us a chance of showers Friday into Saturday. And then we'll see drier conditions for your Halloween Sunday. Don't forget you can take weather with you wherever you go. If you have an iPhone, search your app store, wsvn, for the free application. Have a great day.